Hello everyone. So we'll do another bucket burrow update. Haven't really done much else to the colony, but came out here to check on the babies that were in this bucket here. And see, well, they're all piled back in here. See if I can get them moving again. They go run in the tunnel earlier. Come on guys. Come on, get out here. Come on. So the reason I'm trying to scare them all out of here is what I noticed when I opened it earlier was it looked to be moisture down here, but actually now that I come back and look at it, I wonder if one of them just peed before it took off and everything's fine. But it's a little wet in there, not terrible, but it's been 2 weeks now since they were born in there, and they're big enough to get up and run around. So I'm gonna try to pull the straw out of here. And I'm gonna lose all the hair and everything, but I'm gonna put new straw back in, and then of course I'm sure Mom will be in here to feed them. We'll get some more hair back in there. But I just kind of do an update as far as it's been 2 weeks and a day. The straws, it's relatively wet. It's not super wet where the babies are wet, but it's not dry anymore either. But it's been 2 weeks. There's drainage holes in there, so I guess 2 weeks is probably a good amount of time where you'd had to change, any type of nest box or anything like that too. So you got 7 babies in there, and even though I have drainage holes, they're going to urinate a lot, so kind of as expected. But small little update. I got Ginger there, our red doe. She was bred last weekend, I believe, or weekend before last. I gotta look it up. But she's been running in and out of this bucket here that I noticed. And she got a start of a little nest. No babies, but they should be 2-3 weeks away still even. So it is interesting though. I've been watching her all throughout the last 2 days, just getting mouthfuls of straw and running in and out. Just kind of curious what we're doing probably. So I'm over here screwing with her nest, but so anyhow, just figured I'd do a quick update and kind of show you babies are up and running around. They hide off in the tunnel there, but I don't think they can get out yet, which is kind of the point of having the hole so high up and a good lip, so they can't really get out until they're big enough to get in and out, I guess. But I'll have to keep an eye on them when they start doing that. So far the experiment's going pretty well. But all right, well, you all have a good evening, and as always, God bless. Thank you for watching.